Hi there, little explorers. Are you ready to race into the world of a really existing letter? It's full of roaring fun and radiant surprises. Let's find out which letter we are learning today. Wow! R is such a fun letter.
Rabbits run, hop so high. Rainbows paint the bright blue sky. Ride a rocking horse, hold on tight. Roosters crow with all their might. Red like raspberries, juicy and sweet. Rockets zoom with super speed. Roaring lions, big and bold. Rhythms make us dance, let's roll.
Now let's trace the letter R together. Grab your fingers and follow along. You did an amazing job today. Keep practicing, keep learning, and keep exploring. See you next time for another radiant adventure. Bye bye.